is up guys, it's me Critical Gamer. Today I'm going to show you how to get a joystick on your Pokemon Go app. So it's a simple thing, just download an app from called GPS joystick. Fake GPS location. So when you'll come here, you'll get this type of page. So you'll get reviews. Anything you download, first read the reviews. If it's good, then only download it. So I have downloaded, so I'll not install it once more. So I'll just open it. So when you open it, you'll get this page. So you'll just tap on set location. Then you can click here to open map or enter location. Click here to open the map. Click on this. So if you click this, there will come a page. So here's the page. So just type wherever you want to go. The best place to get Pokemons is San Francisco. San Francisco. Look, this is San Francisco. I'll just select this area, Market Station. I've selected this and it is retrieving altitude. So now click on start. So I have not opened my GPS. So I'll open my location on. So now I'll start it. Now if you have not opened your mock location, please open it by go to settings. When you come at this stage, go to select mock location app. Now click on GPS joystick. When it's done, go back to your page and click starting joystick. Then it will come add, cancel it, and now the GPS joystick will be here. Just click on running, it will be better for you. So now open your Pokemon Go. So guys, I have got a little cold, that's why I'm not going so much good commentary. Sorry for that, and next time I'll do a better commentary than this. So Pokemon Go was developed by Niantic, the Pokemon company in Japan. So there was a new update in which the multiplayer battles can be done. So this is. If you do not have the joystick, you will be in very big trouble. If you are India, China, Japan, then you will be a great problem because there are not so much Pokemon over there. So in America, there are lots of Pokemon. So first Pokemon Go was only developed in 4 countries, that is China, that is Japan, America, France and Russia. So these were the 4 countries. And my net is little bit slow, so sorry for that guys, the page is not opening on time. So I'll just tell you about everything. So if you want to, you have to move the joystick from here and there, just click on this 4 directions button and you can place it where you want. So this was the new Pokemon. I don't know the Pokemon because I played 1 year before, 1 or 5 months before Pokemon Go. Then I stopped it playing because I got bored. Just now I have got total 113 like this some Pokemon. So here's the page, and just now it will become morning. It's taking time. So I'll just ride on the road. So till this is loading, I'll go to this. So open up Pokemons. These are Pokemon. I've got 113 Pokemon. Wait, I got a Pokemon. So this is San Francisco. There's a real raid battle about to start nearby raid battle starting soon. So it will take 21 minutes. So I'm not available at that time. I'll just do my video and close this Pokemon game. So this was a Pokestop. Now I'll catch. Oh, it's my level up. I've got, oh my god, 20 great balls. But I will keep it for something like that. So I've just opened. Yes. I found the Pokemon over here. So I've caught the Pokemon and it's registered to the Pokédex. So this hack is very good overall. So there is going to be a raid battle soon nearby me. So I'll just... My favorite Pokemons are Charizard and Taurus. I usually use them because Taurus HP is 700 like this. I'll leave it. I'll just... This will be going to be my first raid battle. First, I don't know what is raid battle. So I want a new Pokemon. Wait, this. Which type of Pokemon is this? Let's search for it nearby. Let's go and guard it because I gotta catch them all. My phone is ringing, so I'll just remove the recent apps. So I think so now it will not hang. So I've reached my destination automatically. Now let's roll it. Symphony sculpture. Pretty good. Now let's roll it. But the Pokemon. Oh, this is the new Pokemon. It's a fish. I think so. Let's roll it. Remo Raid. What's the CP91? Let's feed him. Raspberry. So now I've done a curveball. So I think so now yes, it's got in my grip. It's registered to the Pokédex now. Evolve. It's a water type Pokemon. Arborium. So guys, over here I'll finish my video. So guys, thank you for watching my video and please subscribe it and thumbs up please.